Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disallow story replies in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Present menu. Now scroll down. Here you can see messages and story replies. Press on this. Now you can see here story replies. Click on this. If you want to disallow your story replies on your Instagram, then you have to set here don't allow story replies. That's it. So this is how to disallow story replies in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.